Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove Bates numbering from a PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to strip those sequential numbers from your legal or business documents, this quick process will get it done in just a few clicks. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll want to navigate to your recent files. This is usually displayed on the home screen, making it easy to locate documents you've worked on recently. From that list, select the PDF file that contains the Bates numbering you want to remove. Clicking on it will open the document in the main workspace. Now that your PDF is open, look to the upper left toolbar and navigate to All Tools. This section gives you access to Adobe's full suite of editing features, and it's where we'll find the specific tool needed for removing Bates numbering. Clicking on All Tools will expand your options significantly. In the left sidebar, you'll now see various editing categories. Click on Edit a PDF. This takes you into the editing mode where you can make structural changes to your document. It's the gateway to more advanced modifications beyond simple text edits. Once you're in the Edit a PDF section, look again to the left sidebar and click on More. This option reveals additional editing tools that aren't immediately visible in the standard view. It's here that Adobe tucked away some of the more specialized features. From the expanded menu, click on Bates numbering and then select Remove. This action specifically targets the Bates numbering system applied to your document. Adobe will process the removal, stripping away those sequential identifiers from every page where they appear. Depending on the size of your PDF, this might take a moment, so be patient while the software works through the document. Finally, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click the Save button. This ensures that all the changes you've made are permanently applied to your PDF. Without saving, those Bates numbers would still be there the next time you open the